Okay, I'm back. Good morning. Kakatapos lang natin mag-jogging and maligo syempre. So, let's back. Continue na natin ang ating email blast phase 2. So, let's check the Claude and also open the VS Code. So, make sure Docker PS. Okay. We need to run the Docker. I'm using the Docker desktop. Run it. So, run natin. And dito yung email blast natin. I think running naman siya. Okay. So, try natin i-access muna. Oops. So, let's open the Chrome. Localhost 301. Okay, it's up and running. Nice. So let's open the Chrome. Before that, I think I forgot to fix this one. So let's fix docker exec-it and the name and node-e and command. Okay, copy the 32-bit and paste here. Nice. So docker compose up-d to update or recreate our application. Okay, so let's try to reload. We need to log in again. Okay, let's back with our Claude. Project and Claude Builder. So let's create. Wait. Review this one. I think okay, we need to deny this for now. We need to fix later on. So let's check if we have a PRD for the phase 2. PRD, yeah, we already have a PRD. We need to review email blast and accessible. Done. I think this is done. Source code is available locally. Node so locally. I think for this one and play with right ito i-up must be running in the board system Docker. So this one we need to console. So may need nating sabihin na utilize na natin yung Docker to use the node command. Phase 2 is for the email campaign plan function and polish the tested product and add on more automated testing so API integration. Ito and critical path testing, playwright, UI, UX overflow, responsive layout, loading, skeletal, load, toss notification, empty state, inline from validation, consistent design, token, no new features, only hardening and polish the phase 2. So i-improve lang natin ang phase 1 natin. I think this one we need natin sabihin Docker ang gusto natin. goal and non-goal, overall architecture, data, and component specialist. Specific. Okay, I think I'm out of scope. I'm done on this. So let's copy. Need natin copy yung name. I want to utilize the Docker to execute any CLI command, like we need to back in the human prerequisite, this one. Yesterday I'm use Docker exec. So let's paste the command, example command. So sabihin natin ito yung ginagawa natin, hindi natin siya in-install locally. Sample steps. Update the PRT and make sure no need to install any CLI command in my local machine. Utilize the Docker to execute any CLI for my local machine. So sinasabi natin ayaw natin mag-install ng mga pang CLI command and gusto natin gamitin ang Docker to do that. Okay, let's see if our coworker is what is our revision, kung ano yung babaguhin niya. For example, this one I don't want this, and this one I want purely Docker or fully containerized version. Okay, ina-update niya na ang ating PRD based on sa explain natin instruction. Let's go. So I think matagal pa. Tingnan natin kung gaano katagal. Kailan natin to chinat. Walang details. Okay, it's already updated. Let's check. I think I want to check in this one. Okay, so human prerequisite from installing the node to use the Docker. Nice. And Docker CLI for this one, the command. What command? This one. Okay. Test. Okay. I think we can approve this one. Okay, approve. Let's approve our PRD. Let's approve our email blast phase 2. Yes, correct. Excuse. In-approve na natin. Ang tagal naman. Okay, naka-copy na from build due to the system permission. Ito na naman kailangan natin i-approve. I think need natin yun i-fix later. Yung mga ganitong manual approval. Okay. So let's wait within 30 minutes or last run is 8:32. So next run is 9:32. 9:02. So need pa natin mag-wait. So yun muna. And babalik tayo ng 9:02. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm back. It's 9:03 already. So let's check the schedule to run. So ito. So automatically siyang nag-run. Nice. So let's see. Let me read the key source file at others data. So testing na yan. Start nyo na yung PRD. Okay, what happened? Okay, still in progress. I think there's a misunderstanding. Ang akala ko magte-test siya using Chrome, but I think using CLI command lang lahat. But it's okay. So habang nagkakape tayo, tinetesting niya. Nice, the power of AI. Para hindi tayo mahirapan maghanap. Docker build. No. This one. So, oh, no. Bakit ganun? Ulit. Build. This one. Okay. Bump natin to. So next time need natin ng automation sa pag-build. Ano to? Okay, allow lang natin. Like, hindi na natin minamanual build this. So, yun yung target natin. Tagal matagal ata talaga to. Dali, okay lang yan. Tingnan natin this one. Pero kung ako ay magte-test, gusto ko pag nag-e-edit, may testing button dito. So, matetest muna natin before natin i-save. And meron sanang document about sa SMTP provider, paano yun i-setup. So, directly mapupunta doon sa link na yun pag clinic. And email campaign, meron sanang search bar, mas maganda kasi pag marami na tayong email campaign, ang hirap nun kung wala tayong search bar. Also this one, kailangan ng search bar dito. And ito, like this one, nice, gumagana. Sa dashboard sa ngayon okay na to, pero dapat mas maganda pa. May mga analytics, mga ganun, para mas masaya. And sa UI, happy naman ako. Okay lang, yun lang. Okay, build na. So let's try to deploy na. Docker Compose app-d. So gamit na natin yung version 2. Okay, alam ko meron to dapat curl. Tapos masabihin niya kung healthy na. What? Wala. Okay. But never mind. Papagawa natin yun kay cowork natin. So once na build na daw this one, after Docker build, so need natin tong gawin. Pero hindi ko mag-gets bakit kailangan gawin yun. Hindi na lang gawin sa container, Docker file. Hindi ito na. Okay, goods naman. Version 2 na, ito yun, paano malaman. Okay, whatever. Oops, sobra. So mga ganito, baka handa kung naka-script na yan or isang click na lang, gagawin niya na lahat. May not pa, no? So never mind. Chromium, no? Bakit ganun? Kailangan ng Chromium. Mali ata kasi yung pagkakagets niya. Akala niya itetest dun sa mismong... Ay, okay lang. Pero wala naman dito sa Docker file natin eh. So, hindi yan masasave. By the way, yung gamit natin is MacBook M3, 8GB and 256 lang to. So, limited resources lang tayo. Kung titignan natin yung activity monitoring is nasa 7GB na yung memory natin. And sa CPU, wala tayong problema. Marami tayong CPU. Joke lang. Sakto lang. Pero yung memory talaga. So, pinag-iisipan ko mag-upgrade or kung ano man. Kung ano man yung maganda. So, pwede kayo mag-suggest para ano ba yung kailangan nating i-build or ipalit dito sa laptop natin. Okay, tapos na. Next naman, this one. Pero may pinapabago eh. Unahin muna natin. Your password. What password? Admin? So may additional character diyan. Okay, let's try. Holy. May error. Okay, sabihin natin. Done. Tapos na natin yung mga all manual steps. What next? Pero dapat tapos na. Pero ano tong error na to? Kailangan ba daw? Pero test muna natin to. Ano ba nangyari? Okay. Kaya naman. Oh, nice. May bago na. Nagkaroon ng bagong ganito. Nice. Kaso wala pa rin search bar. Submit na rin. And wala na yung hindi yun maganda. Try natin muna i-test. Pero hindi naman tayo nagpalit, so dapat connected pa rin. Nice one. So binago lang yung label. Okay, wala pa rin yung gusto natin. Hindi naman kasi natin sinabi. Pwede rin tayo mag-add. Tapos pag mag-email campaign, pwede tayong gumamit ng kung anong specific na email gusto natin. Group, contact. Oy! Ito, need din natin itong improve. So, ano nangyari? The files are still there. Okay, kailangan niya lang i-delete. Oh, nice. Buti hindi natin ginawa. Siya, pwede naman pala siya eh. Kailangan natin lang i-approve ng i-approve. Done na daw. So, done na nga tayo. Okay, done na tayo sa phase 2 natin sa email blast campaign natin na application kini-create. So, mamaya ulit. Let's go! Mamaya is phase 3. So, pa-create na natin siya. Is the domain. We need to create a PRD. At palis natin yung mga kailangan natin gawin. Oh, no. Mali pala. Yung domain pala is yung kung ano yung natin. Okay. Dito na tayo. Is the idea we have okay, palis natin lahat. So email blast, and nandito pa yung mga iba pa, and already build dito, may version 6 na tayo. So dito muna tayo magpo-focus. Hanggang 8 na siya. What happened? Done na to eh, I think. Ba't ganun? Drop already. Hindi pa ba nakadan? Phase 2, andito na. Wala na rin. Okay. Pa-check natin yan. Pa-check natin. Check the is the updated status of the project. I think we are done in email blast phase 2. So paano na, mas maganda kung may dashboard sana tayo, no? So nandun na yun sana eh, builder app natin, integrated na yun, di pa nga lang ganun kaganda. So balikan natin yun after this one. Confirm. Nice. So papick na tayo sa drop pala. So drop na natin, pa-drop na natin siya ng PRD for email blast phase 3. Same 5 hours. I think hindi naman kailangan ng ano. Tulad nun 5 hours, di ba? Halos 1 hour lang natin ginawa yung phase 2. Tapos ano, di ba? Mas mapapabilis pa natin yung buhay-buhay natin. Kaya hindi din natin nagagamit yung builder app natin. Trinay ko siyang mag-load ng credit sa Claude ng $5. Nauubos agad eh, ng isang araw pa lang ata or wala pa. So kaya ininto muna natin. Masyadong mahal gumamit nun. Niisip ko paano yung alternative para libre or mas mura lang. So after this email blast, balikan natin yun. So nagda-drop na siya. So hintayin na lang natin mamaya and reviewin natin, tapos tingnan natin ano yung mangyayari. Okay, bye-bye! Mamaya ulit.